Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Dakota. Today we're diving into a recent filing from I-80 Gold Corp. And let me tell you, there's a golden parachute involved, but maybe not for the reasons you think. We're going to break down an executive departure, what it means for the company, and of course follow the money. This isn't about digging for gold in Nevada, it's about understanding what happens when key people leave and how it affects the company's direction. The big news is that Matthew Gilley, the president and chief operating officer, is resigning from I-80 Gold. He's expected to leave around the end of May. Now, when someone this high up leaves, it's always worth asking why. The filing doesn't give us the reason, but it does tell us what he's getting on his way out, which is usually a good clue. Here's where it gets interesting. It looks like I-80 Gold and Mr. Gilley are working on a separation agreement, basically a deal for his departure. This agreement includes several benefits for him. First, he will continue to receive his base salary, which is $411,000 for 12 months. Second, he will receive additional payments which total to $696,046 related to incentive bonuses. Third, the company will give him money to maintain his health and dental benefits for another year. Finally, he's getting paid for any unused vacation time of wait as more. He's also getting something called accelerated vesting of his stock options. This means he can cash in on 1,322,459 options sooner than expected. Plus his unvested RSUs, which are like shares that haven't fully been given to him yet, which amounts to 9034. His unvested Os efterfesiv for RSUs will continue to vest as normal. He'll also receive $600,000 in RSUs and PSUs. These are share units but have not been converted just yet. To get all of this, he has to release the company from any claims, basically promising not to sue them and help with the transition to a new chief operating officer. So who's taking over? Richard Young, who is already the chief executive officer, will also take on the role of president, meaning he will hold both positions going forward, one person doing two jobs. This could mean more efficiency, or it could stretch the CEO too thin. The company also issued a press release about Mr. Gilley's departure. These press releases are usually written to put a positive spin on things, so it's always a good idea to read them with a grain of salt. Now, what does all this mean? When a high-ranking executive leaves, it can signal a lot of things. Maybe Mr. Gilley found a better opportunity, or maybe there were disagreements about the company's direction. The fact that I-80 Gold is giving him a pretty generous package suggests they wanted to make the departure as smooth as possible. Having the CEO take on the president's role could be temporary. Maybe they want to see how things run before hiring someone new. However, this may also mean some big changes in strategy or how the company is run. Overall, I-80 Gold seems to be in a period of transition. Losing a president and COO is a significant event for any company. It creates uncertainty, but it also opens doors for new ideas and strategies. The market will be watching closely to see how the company performs under the new leadership structure. The real test will be if they can keep digging up gold while also navigating this change in leadership. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Dakota. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on I-80 Gold, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. See you next time.